Love for foreign languages.
Handwork and Art Manifestations. Handwork. Jewelry. Crochet. Embroidery. Foamy. Knitting. Macrame. Origami. Stationary handwork. Printing on clothing. Sewing. Plasticine sculpting. Weaving. Plastic arts and design.
Collage. Fashion design. Linearism. Interior design. Photography. Painting. Pointillism. Pottery. Sculpting. Stained window. Production design. Sketching, drawing.
Performance and production.
Acting. Theater. Dance performance. Filming, cinema. Ballet. Music performance. Landscape gardening. Florist, flowery design.
Structures.
Infinitive is an impersonal verb form which expresses the action just by itself. In English, you identify it by adding the preposition to plus verb. Examples: to be, to have, to go, to drive, to learn. It's another impersonal verb form that helps the conjugation of other verbal tenses. You form gerund by adding ing to the verb. Examples: go, going, drive, driving, start, starting.
Some verbs are followed by infinitive or gerund or both, depending on the case. Let's see them now.
Verbs followed by infinitive. Afford, ask, dare, decide, expect, fail, hope, mean, need, offer, plan, want, wish. Examples:
Lena failed to sing in her audition. She decided to study plastic arts. The TV offers me to participate in an audition. The children are preparing to act in the school play. Carla always wanted to try fashion design.
Verbs followed by gerund. Admit, advise, allow, appreciate, celebrate, consider, detest, dislike, enjoy, explain, fancy, forgive, keep. Examples.
Tom dislikes drawing in class. We consider taking dance classes. Ben hates sketching. They keep performing on stage after 6 years. My granny enjoys knitting.
Verbs followed by infinitive or gerund. Begin, can't bear, can't stand, continue, hate, like, love, prefer, propose, start. Examples.
Carmen loves working macrame. Carmen loves to work macrame. My father proposed to study cinema. My father proposed studying cinema. We begin to work in art design. We begin working in art design.
There are other verbs that are followed by infinitive or gerund, but they change their meaning. These verbs are forget, go on, quit, regret, remember, stop, try. Examples.
I forgot to go to college today. I didn't go because I forgot to do it. I forgot going to college today. I have no memory of going to college. Sandra stopped to have some food. Sandra stopped an activity to eat some food. Sandra stopped eating her lunch. Sandra stopped consuming her meal.
Let us have some practice. Write infinitive or gerund. Choose the correct option.